Here is how to import a chart of accounts in Xero step by step. Start from the top menu in Xero, click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. This opens the page where your existing accounts are listed and where account updates are managed. If you are already working elsewhere in Xero, this menu path takes you directly to the correct area for the import. Once you are on the Chart of Accounts page, click Import. This starts the import process and takes you to the upload screen. At this point, Xero is ready for the file that contains the chart of accounts you want to bring in or update. Select your completed chart of accounts CSV file, then continue with the import. Make sure you choose the completed CSV file you intend to use, since this file will control what Xero adds, updates, archives, or removes during the next stage. After the file is selected, proceed so Xero can check the contents and prepare the summary. Xero will then show an import summary. This summary is where you review what the file will change before anything is applied. Take a moment here and go through each category shown on screen. You will see new accounts to be created, existing accounts to be updated, system accounts that will not be updated, and any accounts that will be deleted or archived. Each part of the summary can be reviewed in more detail. If you want to inspect the category more closely, click View beside it. This lets you check the specific accounts included in that section before you confirm anything. Reviewing these details helps you verify that the CSV file matches the outcome you expect. Pay close attention to the sections for updated accounts and accounts that will be deleted or archived, since those changes affect records that are already in your chart of accounts. System accounts are also listed in the summary, but Xero will not update those through this import. That means you may see them included for reference, even though they will remain unchanged. The summary gives you a final checkpoint, so use it to confirm that the import is lined up with your account structure before moving on. If everything in the summary looks correct, click Confirm to import the chart of accounts. Xero will then apply the changes based on the CSV file. Depending on the file and the number of accounts involved, this may take a moment to complete. Once the process finishes, your chart of accounts in Xero will be updated to reflect the new accounts, the account changes, and any deletions or archived items included in the import. Your chart of accounts is now imported and updated in Xero.